Okay, the following equation represents the reaction between accessing powder and hydrochloric acid. How the production of hydrogen can be increased. It means hydrogen is H2, right? So, in this case, okay, so A, increase the size. Okay, first of all, okay, hydrogen is H2, but I'm going to straight away tell you the answer is C. Why is it C? Okay, so I can prove a calculation to you lah. Okay, I explain what I mean by increase the volume of HCl. So let's say, okay, the acid they use, let's say lah, okay, is 100 cm cube and 0.1 mole per cube. Okay, and you have to calculate what is the volume of hydrogen gas coming out. So the first step, what you do? Number of mole of HCl is mv over 1000. This molarity 0.1. Volume is 100 cm cube of acid. So you just what you do, you just divide, right? I mean, m multiply volume over 1000. Let's say you get 0.1 mole. You get 0.1 mole. Then you do the ratio, right? As simple as that. Get the ratio from the equation is 2 to 1. 2 mole of HCl to 1 mole of H2. And then if you got 0.1 mole, you divide by 2, you will get 0.05 mole. Okay, and then you use this mole to find the volume of H2. Let's say the molar volume is 24 at room temperature. Okay, so because the number of mole equals to volume over molar volume, so if you want to find volume of H2, you want to find volume, you can use number of mole multiply molar volume. So volume, okay, number of mole is 0.05. Let's say molar volume is 24 lah. Normally it's either 22.4 or 24, right? Normally it's 24. Okay. So you will get, let's say, you will get like 1.2 dm cube. Or you can say, if you in cm cube, you can say 1200 cm cube lah. Okay. So now, what happens if we increase the volume of acid? Let's say to 200 cm cube. Then instead you will get 0.2, correct? Then the ratio also you will get 0.1. You will get 0.1 mole of H2. Okay, everything multiply 2, right? If everything multiply 2, then the mole also multiply 2, correct? Then the volume also you will get 2.4. You will get 2400 cm cube. That's why you should increase the volume of hydrochloric acid. Then your volume of H2 will also increase because of this effect. Okay, I tell you, A doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't matter. B, increase volume of water. Increase the volume of water is even worse. You know what it means by that? Okay, it means in your acid you add more water. Like, let's say your Milo add more water, right? Instead, your Milo become less concentrated. Okay, say more diluted, more water. That will decrease the concentration. Okay, that will decrease the concentration, and yes, concentration. Let's say it means everything will decrease. It means, let's say the concentration decrease. Okay, but volume, yes, volume will increase, but it doesn't matter. Okay, you get the same mole, you won't increase the volume of H2. Okay, you get the same volume. Okay, because yes, you can add more water. Okay, you might think add more water means increase volume, right? Yes, you can increase volume, but the concentration will be decreased. Adding water not good. Adding the acid, they are not correct. Okay, so the best answer is you increase the volume of acid, which is, that's why the answer should be C lah. Okay, in this case.